For this exercise, I'm going to show you how to put various numbers on different pages. So we're going to have some Roman numerals on one of the pages and then Arabic numbering on some other pages, with the title page having no page number at all. Now I've got a document that's already set up here. This is my title page, table of contents over here, and then I've just got 2 pages representing the body of the report. I've got the show and hide key on so that you're able to see where the page breaks are, and I will be removing those to put in section breaks. It's also handy if you have the section showing down here on your status bar. Now I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this in the recording, but if you do a right click down on the blue bar at the bottom, this customized status bar will come up. Make sure that there is a tick next to section. If there isn't, then just click on it and it will give you a tick and it will show you the section bar down the bottom. Right, so the first thing we want to do is to make sure that we do not have, or we put in the sections. A title page I'm going to have is section 1. Table of contents is section 2. Now if you had 2 or 3 pages of table of contents, then each of those pages would also be section 2. And then the body of the report and the remainder of the report is going to be section 3. To achieve that, the first thing I do is to remove this page break. And rather than just a simple page break, we need to go to Page Layout, Breaks, and then we want in the Section Break section, Next Page. So I'll just put an enter here so that you can see it now says Section Break, Next Page. I need to do the same thing at the end of my table of contents. So I'm going to remove that page break by just hitting the delete key. Make sure your cursor is where at the end of your table of contents, however many pages that might be. Once again, same thing, section break. You will now be able to see, if you click into section or the title page, down here should say section 1. Click onto this page. Down the bottom left corner of your screen should say section 2. And then the remainder of the report will be section 3. For our first page, our title page, we want no header and footer at all. So nothing in our header and footer. So I'm just going to leave that for the minute. So click into section 2. This is where we want to start with our Roman numerals. I'm going to insert, and I want to insert a page number. So page number. And for my purposes, I'm going to put it at the bottom of the page. And at this point, I'm just going to say plain number. Now, when we say plain number, and it's on the left side of the page, I think I'll change that to the middle of the page. You will see that it's put a page number on the first page that I didn't want, and it's given me page 2 here. The reason it's done that is because of this same as previous. So to remove that, I just do link to previous. I can go back in here and delete that page number there. It will leave the page number here. I then need to format this so that it's a Roman numeral. Once again, I go back up to my page number, and you'll notice that I'm in header and footer tools. It doesn't really matter whether you're in header and footer tools or in your insert menu where the page numbering is also found. So page number, format page numbers. The number format that I'm wanting to use is Roman numerals, and I don't want to continue from previous section. I want to start at 1, which is the I, and OK. So I've now got my Roman numerals happening. I then need to go down here, and you'll see that I've still got the Arabic down here, but it's now become 2. But I want this one to start at 1. Once again, I have to get rid of this same as previous. So click on link to previous, and that will disappear. Go up to my page number, format page numbers, same as before, not continue from previous, starting at 1, and OK. You will see that back here we've got nothing on our title page. This is our Roman numeral, and then the body of our report is started at page 1 and 2, and it will continue on for section 3. So that's all there is to it. And depending on how many pages and what sections you put in your report, you can have your numbering system starting and changing wherever you like. Thank you.